Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to tell you why the debt security yields vary. As you know that the annual interest rate offered by various debt securities at a given point in time varies among debt securities. It is very important for the individual and institution investors that they must understand why the quoted yields vary so that they can determine whether the extra yield on the given security outweighs any unfavorable characteristics. And again, it is very important for you to understand what are the characteristics that influence the yields. So the yields on debt securities are affected by these characteristics. Number first is the credit or default risk. As you know that the default risk is inability of the issuer to pay you interest rate or pay back you the borrowed amount. Because most securities are subject to risk of default, investors must consider the credit worthiness of the security issuer. Although investors always have the option of purchasing risk-free treasury securities, but they can prefer some other securities if the yields compensate them for the extra risk. So if all other characteristics besides the credit or default risk are equal, securities with a higher degree of risk will have to offer higher yields so that it can be purchased or it can be beneficial for the investor. Credit risk is especially relevant for the long-term securities that expose the creditors to the possibility of default for a longer time. So a highly informed investor may personally assess the creditworthiness of corporations that issue the bonds. But they can also use the ratings given by the rating agencies to various corporations. These rating agencies, based on a financial assessment of the issuing corporation, assess and given a particular credit rating to the corporations. The higher the rating, the lower the perceived credit risk. Number second characteristics that affect the debt security yields is the liquidity. Liquidity is the ease of conversion of any asset into cash. Thus, if all other characteristics are equal, investors prefer securities with higher liquidity. Securities with less liquidity will have to offer a higher yield to be preferred. Securities with a shorter maturity or an active secondary market have greater liquidity. Number third characteristic that affect the debt security yields is tax status, or simply the tax. Here, investors are more concerned with after-tax income than the before-tax income earned on securities. If all other characteristics are similar, taxable securities will have to offer a higher before-tax yield to investors than tax-exempt securities to be preferred. The extra compensation required on such taxable securities depends on the tax rates of individual and the institutional investors. As you know that the investors in high tax brackets benefit most from the tax-exempt securities. Again, it is necessary for the investor to consider federal as well as state taxes in determining the after-tax yield. Treasury securities are exempt from the state income tax, and municipal securities are sometimes exempt as well. Number fourth characteristic is the time to maturity. This characteristic also affects the debt security yields. As you know that maturities differ among debt securities and is another reason that debt security yields differ. The term structure of interest rates defines the relationship between the term to maturity and the annualized yield of debt securities at a specific point in time, holding other factors such as risk constant. The term structure of interest rates states that the securities that are similar in all ways except their term to maturity may offer different yields, because the demand and supply conditions for securities may vary among maturities. So may the price and therefore the yield of securities. So these are all those factors or characteristics that affect the debt security yields. And investor must consider all these characteristics when investing in any security. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please like, share and comment so that I can create more videos like this.